Yeah, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the complete review of this transparent waterproof adhesive. See here, there are leakages at the corner of this kitchen cabinet. So first of all, I'm just cleaning this. I'll show you the total process, how you can use this, apply this, and I'll also tell you how are the results. So please watch this video till the end. First of all, I'll just cleaning with this rubber wiper, which is of 50 rupees. I'll drop the link in the description for the video which I unboxed this and the review. Check this one also for 50 rupees. This is very good. Yeah, first let me clean and apply. Yes, I'm just continuing this video. I just waited for 1 hour so that the application area of this transparent waterproof adhesive should be completely dry. This is mentioned here in the how to use only. I'll quickly read it for you. Clean the surface first to ensure that there is no dust. So I did the exactly thing. I just first clean this first part and second part. Shake the glue property to prevent precipitation. Okay, second step is okay. After the first layer of glue dries, means I need to first apply a coating with this, and that is the third step and fourth step. After the glue is applied, make sure it does not come into contact with water within 24 hours, within 28 to 48 hours for the glue to completely solidify and transparent. So I need to a second time the waterproof effect will be better. So I need to apply this the first coating. I need to wait for few seconds until it get dry, and again I need to apply this for the second coating. And for the 24 hours there should be make sure there shouldn't be any water, means there is no contact of water, means if there is water the effect won't be that much. So yeah, I'll be doing that. I'll be opening this. Yeah, this is how it looks, and it has been said that you can use it for toilets, wall crack, bathroom, and window gap, rooftop, and tiles. And this surface is not tiles, this is granite, and I'm still applying it so that I can see the results after 48 hours. So I'll be mentioning that how are the results. If I pour some water here, are there any leakage around this corner? Throughout this corner I'll apply until here the sink area. So I'll be testing it, how is the performance, or how well it worked for me. Okay, just watch till the end. What I'll do is I'll just dip here, and what I'll do is for two coatings I'll be apply. So this is the initial application, and now it is not looking transparent, it is just looking like a bit of violet color or whitish color, but after it gets dried maybe it looks transparent. So where there are gaps between the tiles or between the application surface, try to apply it properly. Okay, now this is the first coating, so I'll be giving an half an hour gap, and I'll be applying it again. Okay, if you feel there is a gap, apply a bit more there. Here there is a gap here, see the glue got here, and yeah, for example, there is a gap here in between the granite. So what I'll do is I'll be just applying throughout this gap. Okay, throughout the gap what I'll do is I'll carefully apply. This is the first coating, and I'll be just waiting for 30 minutes of time. Yeah, see here. Yeah, we'll wait for half an hour and we'll continue. Yes, sorry, that is not half an hour. Actually in these instructions it is mentioned to wait for 12 hours, about 12 hours to dry. So I waited for almost like 8 hours, and I'm going to apply the second coating after 8 hours. So before 8 hours it was dry, a bit dry, and if you can see, now there are few drops of water was here, so that's the reason it is showing up like here. So what you can do is, for the second coating, you can apply the second coating like this after 12 hours, or it completely dries up. When it completely dries up, just apply your second coating and leave it for overnight. It would be good, because there won't be any water dropping out here, so that leaving it overnight would be good. Yeah, so this is how you can apply. And the results video, I'll be checking this for like 1 to 2 weeks, and if there is no leakage or anything, then I'll be posting a review video on that. Just consider this as how to use video.